Latest Pinterest home decor ideas. Minimalist decor has become a global favorite, and Pinterest is brimming with inspiration for those who want to embrace its simplicity and elegance. This design philosophy focuses on clean lines, neutral tones, and functionality while creating tranquil, clutter-free spaces. Perfect for urban apartments and serene retreats alike, minimalist decor proves that less is more. By blending practicality with aesthetic appeal, this style transforms homes into calming sanctuaries. In this video, we'll explore the core principles of minimalist elegance, showcasing how its timeless appeal and modern sensibility can redefine your living spaces. Minimalist elegance, minimalist decor continues to trend on Pinterest, emphasizing simplicity, functionality, and tranquility. This style uses clean lines, neutral tones, and clutter-free layouts to create serene spaces. White walls, sleek furniture, and subtle accents like metallic finishes or natural wood elements are key components. Houseplants and soft textiles such as linen curtains or cotton throws add texture while maintaining the minimalist aesthetic. The goal is to achieve a sense of balance and calm. This approach is perfect for small spaces or anyone seeking a relaxing retreat. Minimalist design is proof that less is truly more in modern home decor. Japandi fusion. Japandi combines the minimalism of Japanese design with the cozy functionality of Scandinavian style. Pinterest is brimming with ideas featuring earthy tones, light woods, and handmade details like ceramics and woven baskets. Japandi interiors often focus on harmony, blending sleek, low-profile furniture with soft, cozy textiles. Large windows that welcome natural light and greenery are essential elements. This style emphasizes quality over quantity, showcasing fewer, meaningful items. A Japandi home is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also creates a sense of peace and balance, making it a favorite for those looking to create a calming, clutter-free living environment. Bold accent walls. Bold accent walls are a striking way to refresh any room. Pinterest users are experimenting with vibrant colors like deep greens, navy blues, and terracotta tones, as well as geometric and textured wallpapers. An accent wall becomes a focal point, instantly elevating the overall look of a space. For a more personalized touch, try murals, stenciling, or even hand-painted designs. Pair the wall with complementary decor, such as contrasting cushions or matching curtains, to complete the look. Accent walls are an easy and cost-effective way to add character and make a statement in your living room, bedroom, or even kitchen. Earthy textures. Incorporating earthy textures is a Pinterest favorite for creating warm and inviting spaces. Materials like rattan, jute, and terracotta are being used in everything from furniture to decor items like rugs and planters. These natural elements pair beautifully with neutral palettes, adding depth and character to any room. For example, a rattan chair with a cozy throw blanket can instantly elevate a reading nook. Jute rugs and terracotta pots are ideal for infusing a bohemian or Mediterranean vibe. Earthy textures also work well with greenery, enhancing the organic and grounded feel that makes a home more comfortable and welcoming. Arch details. Arches are making a stylish comeback, adding a soft, sophisticated touch to home decor. Pinterest showcases creative uses of arches and architectural elements, mirrors, headboards, and even painted designs on walls. Arched doorways and windows lend a vintage or Mediterranean feel, while arched mirrors create the illusion of more space. To modernize this trend, pair arches with minimalist decor and pastel tones. Painted arch accents are another budget-friendly way to incorporate this trend, providing a unique backdrop for furniture or art pieces. Arch details bring fluidity and elegance to interiors, transforming ordinary spaces into visually interesting and inviting areas. Layered lighting is a key trend for adding warmth and dimension to your home. Pinterest features ideas like combining overhead chandeliers with floor lamps and table lamps to create a cozy, well-lit environment. Popular designs include metallic pendant lights, Edison bulbs, and adjustable sconces. Layered lighting not only improves functionality, but also enhances the mood of a room. For example, dimmable lights are perfect for creating a relaxing ambiance in the living room or bedroom. By mixing different lighting types and intensities, you can highlight architectural features, create focal points, and make every corner of your home feel inviting. Curved furniture is gaining popularity for its soft and inviting aesthetic. Pinterest highlights rounded sofas, circular coffee tables, and curved back chairs that add a modern yet cozy feel to interiors. Unlike sharp lines and rigid shapes, curves create a sense of flow and harmony. This trend works well in both large and small spaces, as the rounded edges prevent overcrowding. Pair curved furniture with neutral colors or plush fabrics like velvet for an extra touch of luxury. Incorporating a few curved pieces is an easy way to soften the look of a room and make it feel more dynamic. Biophilic design is all about bringing nature indoors, and Pinterest is full of inspiring ideas. Vertical gardens, hanging plants, and large potted greenery are common features of this trend. Biophilic design emphasizes natural light, so consider sheer curtains or large windows to maximize sunlight. Pair greenery with natural materials like wood, bamboo, and stone for a cohesive look. Accessories like botanical prints and earthy tones also enhance this nature-inspired aesthetic. Not only does biophilic design make your home more beautiful, but it also promotes relaxation and well-being, making it a favorite for urban dwellers seeking a connection to nature. Mixed metals. Mixing metals is a bold trend that adds depth and sophistication to any space. Pinterest showcases combinations like gold and black, silver and brass, or even rose gold accents for a modern touch. Use metals in light fixtures, cabinet hardware, and decorative items to create contrast and visual interest. The key is to balance the metals evenly throughout the room for a cohesive look. For instance, a black and gold chandelier can be paired with silver hardware in the kitchen or bathroom. Mixing metals breaks traditional decor rules, making your space look both elegant and effortlessly stylish. Moody kitchens are replacing the all-white trend, offering a dramatic and luxurious alternative. Pinterest features deep shades like black, charcoal, and forest green for cabinetry, often paired with gold or brass hardware. Marble countertops and backsplashes add a touch of sophistication, while open shelving showcases stylish dishware. Moody kitchens often use layered lighting to maintain warmth, balancing the dark tones with ambient or under-cabinet lights. This trend is ideal for creating a bold and modern space that feels both cozy and elegant. Moody kitchens are a statement of personality, proving that dark colors can be just as inviting as bright ones. Statement ceilings are getting the attention they deserve, thanks to Pinterest. Ideas include painting ceilings in bold colors, adding patterned wallpaper, or installing wooden beams for a rustic touch. Statement ceilings can also feature intricate designs like coffered panels or metallic finishes for a luxurious look. The idea is to draw the eye upward, making the room feel larger and more dynamic. Pair a statement ceiling with neutral walls to let it shine as the focal point. Conclusion: minimalist elegance isn't just a design trend, it's a lifestyle choice. Its focus on simplicity and intentionality fosters a sense of balance and peace that's rare in today's fast-paced world. By choosing clean lines, neutral palettes, and functional yet beautiful pieces, you create a home that is both stylish and soothing. Pinterest is the perfect source for endless inspiration, helping you achieve a minimalist look tailored to your preferences. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Whether starting from scratch or making small updates, embracing minimalist decor will transform your space into a harmonious and timeless haven. Latest Pinterest home decor ideas. Minimalist decor has become a global favorite,